Hey, Echo Hive, just wanted to say that I was heavily inspired by your project, so I went ahead and made one of my own. This is an STDP front end that is able to both train and infer, and its purpose is to be able to add three-digit numbers together as well as two as well as one. It's able to do all three. The first model that I trained up was able to reach a 99.89% accuracy with an R squared value very close to zero. Let's go ahead and start up the training process. We're at the very end of the SDDP learning phase, which learns the features of the dataset. After this phase, it's going to do a pass classifier phase where it actually calculates, the loss, the accuracy, etc., etc. This does take about 20 to 25 epochs before it reaches an acceptable level of accuracy and loss. If you look down here, you can see all the graphs that it outputs. Most importantly, it outputs the spike raster, the input layer, the hidden layer, and the output layer. Yes, it is in total a 3-layer model. Let's go have a look at the Infer tab. So this is where you can do, obviously, inference. Let's go ahead and add 3 plus 2 just to see if it gets it right. And sure enough, 99.88% accuracy, or confidence that that is actually 5. Let's add two two-digit numbers, so 11 and 22. As you can see, it's 99.99% confident that the answer is 33, which is correct. Let's add some very big numbers together. Let's say 167 and 148. And sure enough, it does also get the correct answer, even when the number is as high as you can get. It doesn't do 4-digit numbers. Oh, we reached one. This one's incorrect. Look at that, and none of the correct answers are even up here. That's interesting. Is that only 999 or is that, let's see. Interesting. So in the higher numbers, it doesn't get it right. So there is room for improvement, and I heavily encourage you to have a look at the code in the description below. It's free on GitHub. But yeah, that's really about it. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. I did cheat a little. Let's have a look at the back end. I cheated quite a bit. Let's have a look at the backend code. So it does use torch and torch functional. I took heavy inspiration from another STDP library, though I didn't copy it verbatim. And it seems, it's simple enough. The main here, main.py, which handles both the front end and the trainer and the inference model, it's pretty simple. Let's have a look at the train file. Not much you can really glean off of this unless you have a look at the code. But yeah, just thought I'd give you a holler that you're not alone, and I think what you're working on is quite inspiring. You have a good day, man. Hope to talk to you soon.